Welcome back to the Drunken Sailor, folks. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. The one thing that you've always heard me talk about, or hear me say in almost every video, is that fresh is best. There's nothing better than a cocktail with fresh ingredients. So we sat here this morning trying to figure out what we were going to make, and we figured what's fresh? Well, in our neck of the woods, it's strawberries. Strawberries are everywhere, and they're nice and sweet and juicy, so we got to use them. And we came up with a cocktail I think you're really going to like. It is a strawberry limoncello Lemondrop Martini. So let's get pouring. Our first ingredient in here is going to be, of course, some fresh lemon juice. And we are going to put in there 1/2 of an ounce. The next one in this is actually a strawberry syrup. It's 50% sugar, 50% water. And then what I did is I cut up 7 or 8 strawberries. I put them in the syrup and let the syrup boil, let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and then just let it cool. We're going to put 1/2 ounce in there. Our next ingredient is the Drunken Sailor Limoncello. If you remember several episodes back, and if you look on our Behind the Bar playlist, you'll see how we made our limoncello. And I've got to tell you, folks, this is infinitely better than the stuff you're going to buy in the store. We're going to put 1 ounce into the shaker. Last but not least, we're going to use vodka. Today we're using Grey Goose, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces. Now what we need to do is add some ice to chill this down. Pop the top on that, and we're going to give this a great shake. We now have our martini glass, and we've had that chilled with ice. So we're going to dump the ice. We're going to strain. And all we have left to do is the garnish. And today we're going to use this beautiful fresh strawberry. And here we have our strawberry limoncello Lemondrop Martini. Cheers, everyone. Oh, that is good.